Top 5 programming languages you must learn 2023. Python. Python is a versatile, high-level language that is easy to learn and popular in data science, artificial intelligence, web development, scientific computing, and automation. It emphasizes readability and clear syntax, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. JavaScript. JavaScript is a popular scripting language that runs in web browser and is used for front-end web development. It is also increasingly popular for back-end development, especially with the rise of Node.js. JavaScript is a dynamic language that allows developers to create interactive web pages and web applications. Java. Java is a general-purpose language used for building enterprise-level applications, Android apps, and server-side web applications. It is known for its portability, as it can run on a variety of platforms and devices. Java is also highly secure and reliable, making it a top choice for large-scale projects. C++. C++ is a powerful language used for developing system software, games, and high-performance applications that require direct hardware access. It is a low-level language that provides more control over the hardware, but it also requires more expertise to use effectively. C++ is a popular choice for creating software that requires high performance and efficiency. C#. C# is a modern, object-oriented language used for developing applications on the .NET framework. It is often used for Windows desktop and web applications, as well as for game development using the Unity engine. C# is similar to Java in many ways, but it has some features that make it more suitable for certain types of projects, such as easy integration with other Microsoft technology. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for watching amazing content. Happy learning.